Hey, hi. Today the topic you can see on the board comparison of fractions with different numerators and denominators. See, this we have already seen in the previous videos. We had seen two methods. I mean, comparing fractions with the different denominators and denominators. For this concept, we have seen two methods. One is comparing fractions by using diagrams. Second, comparing fractions by converting those fractions into decimal numbers. These concepts we have seen. Okay, if you want those videos, okay, uh, those videos will come on the screen, on the top of the screen. You can check if you want. Now, this is here today in this video we will see the third method. Third method to compare the fractions with the different numerators and denominators. In this third method, we will use LCM. LCM concept we will use. I will explain you by taking examples. For example, 3, 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay. I said this is the concept of comparing fractions with different numerators. See this 4, 2. These are numerators. So these numerators are different. 4 is different, 2 is different. I said next to different denominators. So here this is the denominator. Here 5 is there. Denominator is 5 here. In this fraction denominator is 3. So 5 is different, 3 is different. Okay, so we have to compare these fractions now. So first we have what we have to do. Okay, first you consider the denominators 5 and 3. Okay, first we need to find LCM of these two numbers. I mean, you have to find LCM of denominators first. See, in this video I will just quickly show how to find LCM of this 3 and 5 here, because I have already explained how to find LCM of 2 or 3 numbers in detail in a video. Okay, so if you want you can check that video. It comes on the top of the screen. Okay, I have already explained it in detail. So I will just quickly show here. So take denominators this 3 and 5. Okay. First prime number is 2. Any one of these two should be divided completely by 2. But here 3 cannot be divided by 2 completely. 5 cannot be divided by 2 completely. So I will take next prime number 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. This 5 can't be divided by this 3 completely. I will take it as it is 5. Okay. Next, any one should be completely divided by this 3, the prime number 3. You have to check here. Here 1 is there, 5 is there. Any one is not divided completely by this 3. So 1 can't be divided, 5 can't be divided. We will take next prime number, which is 5. I said 5, right? 5 is the prime number. So prime numbers, composite numbers concept, that also I have already explained in a video. If you want, you can check it. It comes on the top of the screen. Okay. So this 1 can't be divided by, we'll keep it as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are this 5. Okay, so we got both are 1 ones. We have to stop division process and we need to consider these things to find the LCM. So LCM is product of this and this, I mean 3 into 5, so that is equal to 15. This is the LCM. Okay, now what we have to do here, you consider each fraction separately. You have to make this denominator. For example, I will take the first fraction. First fraction is I will put a box for these two. First fraction is 4 by 5. Okay. Now we have to make this denominator 5 as 15. LCM 15. See, I will say in other words. See, you take a number. You think about a number. If you multiply that number with this denominator value 5, we should get this LCM 15. Okay, which is that number, right? 3, right? See, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So we have to multiply this 5 by this 3. Okay, and when you multiply this denominator by 3, this numerator 4, okay, this numerator 4 should also be multiplied by the same 3, this 3. So into 3. Why? Because if you don't multiply this numerator by 3, when you multiply this denominator by 3, fraction value changes. Okay, this is the rule you have to follow. Whenever you multiply denominator by any number, numerator should also be multiplied by the same number. That is the rule you have to remember. Now just simplify, I mean multiply 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so for 4 by 5, this 4 by 5 equal to this 12 by 5. Okay, remember that case. Next I will take this fraction 2 by 3. As we have seen in this case, similar to this, here also, you think about a number. When you multiply that number with this denominator 3, you should get this LCM value, I mean 15. Which is that number? 5, right? Yes. See, when you multiply this 3 by 5, that means 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. This LCM value 15 we will get. So, when you multiply this 3, I mean denominator by 5, this numerator 2 is there, no? That should also be multiplied by this 5. 2 into 5. Like how we did here. Okay. Now, simplification. See, 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now this fraction 2 by 3 is equal to this fraction 10 by 15. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Now what you have to do? You have to compare this and these fractions. I will show here. We got this 10 by 15 and another one is this 12 by 15. Okay. Now we have to compare. See, denominators are same. Here also 50, here also 50. When denominators are also same, we can compare the fractions easily. How? I have already explained in a video. Comparing fractions when denominators are same and all in a yeah, in a video I have explained it. If you want that video, see, you can check it. It comes on the top of the screen. Okay. Now I will just simply tell you what to do here because I've already explained. So when denominators are same, compare the numerators. Compare the numerators. Here 10 is there, here 12 is there. Which is bigger? This 12. 12 is greater than 10. Okay. 12. This 12 is greater than this 10. So, whichever the numerator is bigger, the corresponding fraction is the bigger. This 12 is the numerator of this 12 by 15 fraction. Correct? Since 12 is greater than 10, the fraction 12 by 15 is greater than this fraction 10 by 15. I will write like this. 12 by 15 is greater than 10 by 15. Now, so we have seen here this 12 by 15 is equal to what? This 4 by 5. Okay. So in this place write 4 by 5 greater. Next is 10 by 15. 10 by 15 is equal to this one 2 by 3. Right here 2 by 3. Okay. So given fractions are 4 by 5, 2 by 3. So 4 by 5 is greater. This is the greater than symbol. 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 3. You got it? This is how the third method of comparing the given fractions with the different numerators and denominators by using the concept of LCM. Okay. So anything related to my teaching and this related to this concept, if you want to say anything, please mention in the comment. And if you like the video, please like and comment and also click on the subscribe button. Thank you.